What's going on? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another math challenge for you, which reads, for positive numbers C and D, the operation at symbol CD is defined as at symbol CD is equal to C minus 1 over D. What is at 2 comma at 2 comma 2? Now, this problem isn't that bad. The main thing is just keeping track of everything, okay? And also understanding that we want to work from the inside out, okay? So we want to start here because this is going to be equal to some number. Then we'll be able to, after determining that number, we'll be able to find what the, change the color here, what the larger one is equal to, if that makes sense. All right, so let's find at 2 comma 2. According to this, that's going to be equal to 2 minus 1 over 2, which you can rewrite it as 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2. Now we are going to find at 2, 3 over 2, right? Which is equal to 2 minus 1 over the second term, which is 3 over 2, which, because we know how fractions work, is the same as 2 minus 2 over 3. Or in other words, we can rewrite that as 6 over 3 minus 2 over 3, which gives us our final answer, 4 over 3. So this isn't that bad. You just have to keep track of a few things. Let me know if you got it in the comments. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and also have a good one. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.